Hi friends, welcome to a new video. Today my journey is to a newly developed tourist hotspot of Goa. Goa's Aguada Jail became a tourist hotspot after post-renovation in March 2021. Aguada Jail also have a museum showing the freedom struggle of Goa against the Portuguese rule. It is a part of Aguada Fort in Sinquerim village near River Mandovi in North Goa. This spot is located at the bottom of Aguada Fort. It is famous for its panoramic views, architecture, and historic significance. It was once the largest jail in the state, used to imprison legal offenders. But since 2015, it has opened to the public as a heritage spot. A part of this jail is also reserved for a museum with the galleries, activity zones, amenity zones, and information center. Important visiting information. Timing 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Entrance fees is 100 rupees, which is available at the counter. No charge for photography and videography. It is located about 17 kilometers from Panchim. The local buses do not reach up to the spot, so one should have a taxi or a private vehicle to reach here. Local buses are available from Mapsa to Sinquerim, which is about 4 km away from Aguada Jail. This hall has many photos which elaborate the history of freedom fight of Goa. If you take a taxi from Panchim, you will charge about 500 to 600 rupees. Fort Aguada has always been one of the prime attraction of Goa. Right below the fort is the Aguada Central Jail. It has always caught the attention of tourists due to its interesting location overlooking the sea. Once it was the largest prison in Goa. This jail also can be compared as the Kalapani jail in Andamans. This is the place where the life sentenced prisoners were kept. In this part where the freedom fighters are imprisoned, among the freedom fighters, Ram Manohar Lohia was an important person. Ram Manohar Lohia emerged as an important leader of the freedom movement of Goa in the later part. Today, there are few visitors. The construction of this part is still going on. there is a viewpoint which is not yet to complete. It is really an amazing place to include in your visit to Goa. Friends, if you liked my video, like, share and subscribe my channel. I hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching this video. See you again with a new video.